I made my Hermes agent so powerful that it can run an entire Instagram page, from finding content, planning, designing, even writing the caption, without touching anything. Look at this. Every day at 9 a.m. it sends me the latest news in the AI niche. Once I reply with a news number, it analyzes that news, creates an Instagram design without any designer, then writes an SEO optimized caption, all ready to post. You can use this to run an entire theme page and grow it with thousands of likes and followers just like these pages. In this video, I'm going to show you the whole setup in just a couple of minutes. So let's get started. Right now we are on Telegram. I've connected my Hermes agent with this bot. It's a fresh account. I haven't added any skills or anything yet. Okay, the process is actually very simple. We just need to add two skills, one for content research and another one for Instagram post designing. For content research, we are adding the Firecrawl skill. Think of it like a web scraper. It visits any website and pulls the content for us. To add it, go to the blog post link in the video description, find the Firecrawl skill, copy the content, then go to Telegram and just say, add this skill. Paste the content, hit enter, and now the skill has been added to our Hermes agent. Now we have to give the Firecrawl API key. Firecrawl has a free plan with 1000 credits per month, which is more than enough for running a daily content page. So just create a free account, grab your API key from the dashboard, go to Telegram, say, save this API key, paste it, hit enter, and it's done. Now let's test it. I'm going to the TechCrunch AI section. It's one of the best places for updated AI news. I'm copying the page link, going to Telegram, pasting it and saying, go to this page and fetch 5 latest AI news. List the news with headline, a 3-line summary and the news link. This will take a few seconds and here we go. We've got the latest AI news right here. Headlines, summaries, links, everything fetched directly from TechCrunch. And since this updates every day, you'll always get fresh content. You can even swap TechCrunch with Google News, any tech blog, sports, health, literally any website that updates regularly. Okay, so now we have the content. Next step, creating the Instagram post design. For this, we're adding a second skill, the image generation skill. This one uses Google's Nano Banana API to actually generate the visuals. The process is the same. Go to the blog post, copy the image generation skill, go to Telegram, say add this skill, paste it and hit enter. Now the skill has been added. Now for the API key. Since I'm already using Gemini 3.5 Flash from Google AI Studio as the brain for my Hermes agent, I don't need to add it again. But if you're using Cloud or any other model as your brain, you have to add it externally. For that, go to Google AI Studio, copy your API key and save it the same way we did for Firecrawl. Okay, let's test the design now. I'll say, now analyze the third news and create an Instagram post in 4:5 ratio. Add a background image, then a meaningful headline. Use the recently added image generator skill. Now it's processing our request and here we go, we got a design. Ferrari using IBM's AI for F1 superfans. The background image, headline, everything auto-generated. Not bad at all. But here's the thing, if you're running a theme page, random designs every day won't work. You need consistent branding. Same colors, same layout, same feel. So we're going to give it a reference image. And we can use that while making the API call to create the design. Here I already created my ideal design using ChatGPT's image generation. You can do the same or use Canva or even grab a design from any Instagram page you like and recreate it. Mine has a dark background, the brand name Ecology in the middle, first line of the headline in white, second line in yellow. So I'll send that reference image to Telegram and say, save this image somewhere. We have to send this image every time as a reference design while making an API call to create the image. Add the Ecology branding on every design in the middle of a line just above the headline with the same font. The first line of the headline should be white and the second line in yellow. Now it's saved as the visual style template. Let's regenerate the same Ferrari news design and look at that. A good F1 car background, Ecology branding, white first line, yellow second line. That's the difference a reference image makes. Clean, consistent, premium looking. Let's try it for the fourth news as well. And there it is, another perfectly branded post, this time about AI restructuring the voices of pilots. Okay, now once it creates the design, it also has to create the Instagram caption. So let's say once you deliver the design, create an SEO optimized Instagram caption as well with 3 relevant hashtags. Do not add anything extra in the message like here is your caption or anything. Just share the caption only, ready to copy. And here we go. clean caption, relevant hashtags, copy paste ready. Exactly what we need. Now let's put the whole thing on autopilot with a cron job. That means a scheduled task. Let's say, now create a cron job to run every day at 9 a.m. IST, which goes to the TechCrunch page and fetches the latest 5 AI news with headline, 3-line summary and news link. Once you deliver it, ask, for which news do you have to create the design? I'll reply like 1, 2 or 3, whatever I find interesting. Then analyze that news, call the image generator skill to create the design along with the Instagram caption. Done. The cron job has been created. Every day at 9 a.m. it's going to send me the latest AI news automatically. And now let me show you the real thing tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay, so in the morning I got the message with 5 fresh AI news stories. I replied with 1 and it came back with a fully branded post. ClickUp replaces staff with 3000 AI agents. Design, branding, caption, everything. All I have to do now is copy the design, copy the caption and post it on Instagram. I'm keeping the posting manual by the way, because when you use the Instagram API to post automatically, you can't add music and a few other features are missing. So I'd rather keep that one human touch. But everything else, finding the content, creating the design, writing the caption, all automated. And that's basically it. 2 skills, a few commands and you've got a fully automated Instagram content workflow running every single day. This works for any niche too, not just AI. Tech, health, sports, finance, whatever you're into, just swap the website link and you're good to go. I'll drop the blog post link in the description so you can grab the skill files and set this up yourself. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comments. I'll help you out. I'll be doing more videos like this on AI automation, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.